How to share a product on Amazon shopping app to Instagram. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon shopping app. This is the home page. Now choose the product that you want to share. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do after you choose the product, go here in the top and click on this little share icon as you can see. And now right here you will find Instagram. If you didn't find it, just swipe like this until you find it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.